Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Aishwarya. Welcome to 12th day of Vlogmas. And in this video, I'm going to share with you all a few apps that I found to be really productive. And I'm really sorry for the background noise. I don't know पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है. But anyway, let's get started. So number one is called Keep My Notes. So if you're somebody who likes to make notes on your phone, this app is excellent option for it. I have tried many notes app और मुझे ये सबसे अच्छा लगा. And it has got lot of features, like for example you can do plain notes, simple notes, you can do checklists, you can do handwriting, like you can do handwritten notes, you can do voice recording, you can make folders and whatnot. So I found this to be really interesting. You can also share these notes, you can set reminders. Like for example, if you have class, that you can write that in your note and then the app will remind you of it. You can add attachments, you can change background color, you can move to folders, obviously. You can lock it. I'm really sorry. You can pin the notes. You can read mode पे डाल के भी आप पढ़ सकते हो, which is excellent. You can print your notes. So I found this app really useful और ये बहुत अच्छा है and it's very user friendly. So I thought I should share, especially if you're somebody who likes to make notes on your phone, definitely check this out. Number 2 is Google Calendar. मैंने obviously इसके बारे में सुना था, but I started using it recently और ये बहुत अच्छा है. Oh my god, I'd put my all of my important events or all of my important dates and everything, not date, just important dates on that calendar, and oh my god, it works amazing. It reminds me half an hour before and it has saved me so many times. And recently, because I was having, like, I had such a crazy hectic schedule these few days, since few days, abhi bhi bahut crazy chal raha hai. So I started using this app to divide my days into like categories. So iske pehle I would just like put the important stuff here like this. I hope you can see. Then I started dividing my day like into stuff and it has worked amazing. Like you can see, I mostly put my stuff here and it works great. So and it has got a lot of options. There are stickers and reminders and whatnot. Please check it out. Google Calendar is amazing and all you need is a Google account, जो honestly सबके पास होता ही है. So yeah, check Google Calendar definitely. I don't know why मुझे इतना time लग गया ये app explore करने में, but you definitely go and see it for yourself. Number 3 is 21 Days Challenge app. So this is this very interesting app called 21 Days Challenge, obviously. And you can do a lot of different challenges here. Like for example, there is Get Out of Your Comfort Zone challenge, there is Night Routine, there is Fix Your Sleep Schedule. I mean seriously, क्या हो जाता है यार जब मैं शूट करती हूँ पता नहीं. Anyway, there is home workout. Okay, there is home workout, there is Christmas spirit, there is feel good, find inner peace, daily journaling and lot of others. And this is excellent app. So every day उसका एक नया क्या कहते हैं, नए दिन का रोज, like you get a new thing to do every single day और आपको कल का पता नहीं चल सकता. You get to know about tomorrow stuff tomorrow. Like for example, on my night routine I have done 13 days of it and 14th day का मुझे कल ही पता चलेगा. And it's very interesting. Like for example, on second day in my night routine I had do something relaxing, have a facial mask, do some painting, take a bath, whatever helps you relax, do it. On day 8th I had do some stretching and yoga before bed. I would have usually never like done it because I don't remember it, but because of this app I actually kind of stretched a bit and did something. On 7th day I had light some scented candles and play a relaxing playlist. I really did that. Otherwise ये मैं नहीं करती, but because of this I did it and it felt great. You can see, oh, I have candles here, the ones that I lit, the rose flavored ones. So yeah, I think it's a nice practice to do, और बहुत सारे इसमें ये है. There's this 21 days workout challenge as well. हालांकि इसमें बहुत कुछ नहीं है. They just tell you to do 20 squats, 15 jumping jacks और 30-second plank वगैरह. Honestly ये कुछ बहुत efficient, impactful होगा ऐसा भी नहीं है, but at least you do something, right? So I found 21 days challenge really interesting and I think you might too, so definitely check it out. Number 4 is Pomodoro timer app. Now I'm looking for different kinds of options still. Right now I'm using Focus. However, I'm looking for better one. If I find a better one, I'll definitely update you guys on it. But what Pomodoro timer is basically, there is this theory, I don't know ये किसकी है, हालांकि I should know, but I really don't remember right now. So there is this theory which says कि if you work for 25 minutes is an ideal time. So if you work for 25 minutes and then take a break of 5 minutes and then again work for 25 minutes and then 5 minutes break and then again 25 minutes, तो वो 75 minutes में आपका बहुत ज़्यादा काम हो सकता है और बहुत efficiently हो सकता है. So Pomodoro app helps you do that basically. So if you take that in your phone and then you start the timer for 25 minutes, you won't be able to use your phone for 25 minutes. You can obviously use it if there is something important happening, तो वो timer तुम्हारा बंद हो जाएगा. You can obviously unlock it. But the idea is ताकि you don't get distracted. So like for example, if I put Pomodoro timer on my phone, and if I go on Instagram, the app will keep reminding me ki, oh, don't do that, don't do that, don't do that, you are on Pomodoro timer right now, so don't waste your time, which is an excellent idea. So that you don't get distracted and you get more work done, more work done. And it has worked very well for me. I'm still looking for better options, but Focus is also great. So you can check that out too. And number 5 is Question Diary. हालांकि मैं खुद ये use नहीं करती हूँ, but I have a lot of friends who actually do. So Question Diary is ideal for people who like to journal. उसमें बहुत questions के templates है अलग-अलग and prompts है, and you can actually write and get to know yourself a little better, because then the app basically asks you question about yourself and you get to learn so much about yourself. I, however, am not into journaling. Like, I really try to be into journaling, but I would just call my mom and tell everything that happened in a day, so I don't need to write it down. And yeah, I tell my mom everything. I'm not even kidding, like everything. So I don't actually have this need to put it somewhere else or write it down, or what am I thinking. Halanki, I really think if I start journaling, it might be really helpful. But right now, I don't know, I'm not in that space. But if you are into journaling, definitely check this one out, because I have a lot of friends who use this app और उनको बड़ा productive लगा है वो, and they found like this to be really useful. So definitely check it out. Yes, I checked, all of these apps are available on iOS and Android. So yeah, these were 5 apps that I found really productive, and I hope you will find this video useful. If you did, don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Till then, stay safe and take care, and I'm really sorry अगर बहुत कुत्तों की आवाज़ आई हो बीच में. पता नहीं उनको कैसे पता चल जाता है कि अभी ऐश्वर्या शूट करने वाली है, तो वो आ ही जाते. I don't know what to do. Anyway, if you use Pomodoro timer app and if you have something better than Focus, please let me know in the comment section below. That would be great. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.